Welcome to SOS Electronic Podcast. Today we will be talking about circular industrial connectors by Attend. From the wide array of connectors on the market, we have taken a closer look at the circular industrial connectors in M5, M8, M12 and M23 sizes from Attend. We were convinced by their quality, reasonable pricing, suitability for a broad spectrum of industrial applications, and the flexible custom solutions offered by the supplier. The best-selling connectors from global manufacturers are not always available precisely according to customers' current needs, which is why we have expanded our options with another supplier. We have expanded our range of circular industrial connectors with products from our long-standing and reliable supplier of industrial connectors, the Taiwanese company Attend. Attend is a supplier of connectors and custom solutions. While Attend offers a smaller range of circular industrial connectors, they prioritize high-quality construction at a reasonable price, competing with global brands. We can also support your projects with development samples, so don't hesitate to reach out to us, whether you have common or unconventional requirements, says František Ďurišek, product specialist at SOS Electronic. In Attend's product range, you will find not only common types and configurations of circular industrial connectors in M5, M8, M12 and M23 sizes, but also rarer types with varying number of pins for specific industrial applications. These robust connectors are entirely made of metal, ensuring optimal EMI shielding, and they are also waterproof and dustproof to withstand applications in demanding industrial environments. Basic characteristics of circular industrial connectors by Attend: M5 220A series, 2, 3 or 4 pins, up to 60 volts, up to 1 amp, IP67 for cable or panel. M8 219A series, 2, 3, 4, 5 or 6 pins, up to 60 volts, IP67 for cable or panel. M12 216A series, 2, 4, 5, 8, 10 or 12 pins, up to 250 volts, 4 amps, IP67 for cable or panel. M23 221A series, 4, 5 or 6 pins, up to 250 volts, 20 amps, IP67 for cable or panel. Customized flexible solutions for industry and consumer electronics. In the case of Attend, what particularly caught our attention is the ability to order cables with connectors precisely according to customer requirements. The supplier can meet special requests such as cables with separate shielding, silicone cables, and cables with various cross-sections for individual conductors or twisted pairs. One of the biggest advantages of Attend is its capability to produce even in relatively small quantities, starting from a few hundred pieces of cables with different connectors. For instance, on one end of the cable there can be an encapsulated connector from Attend, while on the other end there can be a crimped connector with the option to use your own connector or one from another manufacturer. They are a flexible supplier willing to offer tailored solutions for both the industrial and consumer electronics sectors, concludes František Ďurišek. Circular industrial connectors M5, M8, M12 and M23 by Attend in SOS Electronics product range. We have included the most commonly used Attend circular industrial connectors in our stock assortment, and they are available directly from our warehouse or upon order. We will continue to gradually expand our industrial connector offerings, and we are happy to provide you with other Attend brand products upon request. Are you interested in more information about Attend's products or technical advice when choosing a product? Or do you have any other questions or requests? Please don't hesitate to contact us at soselectronic.com. We are here to assist you. Try a sample for your project. Do you need to test a component during your development phase? Feel free to contact us and we will be glad to provide you with a sample for your project. We evaluate each request individually, so please provide a brief overview of your project in the form on our website. Please note that we only provide samples for development projects, not for personal use by individuals. Thank you for understanding. For more detailed information, please visit us at soselectronic.com.